So essentially, if you want to call yourself a full stack digital marketeer, okay, there and I've written these steps, and you can read through them in a later time. But I am a full stack digital marketeer slash growth marketeer slash product marketing manager slash marketing technology manager. You can call me many things. Okay, who is in the business of building digital first brands, DTC and non DTC in nature, and also help bring scale to brands built on traditional marketing. For example, Fair and Lovely. I handle Fair and Lovely. I handle digital for Fair and Lovely for 3 years. Okay, it's a brand which is built on TV, tier two market, etc. I'm still doing a lot of digital spend on it. So I am helping a traditional brand built on traditional marketing, scale up on digital. That's my job one. But then I have a brand like Lakme. It's a digital first brand. I am doing so much of digital marketing on Lakme. Okay, it's a DTC first DTC brand. Similarly, if you go into Mama Earth, you go into Wow, you're going to Plum, you're going to you all these brands, Bombay Shaving Company. I'm taking FMCG examples. This is what you'll do. You'll do digital first marketing, build digital first brands. So that's essentially the role of a digital marketing and a full stack one. And you can, and when I graduated at IMB, I did not have all these skills. To be very honest, I did not know all this. But yes, I had an inclination towards digital marketing as space, and I knew parts of it. Like I knew parts of it. I had run a Facebook campaign in my life. Okay, I had done some social media management. I used to read about email marketing. I had an inclination towards it, and hence I I learned more and more about it. I explored different channels, and then eventually I'm now in a shape after 3 years of working that I can call myself a digital marketing expert. Okay, so I've listed on the key concepts here. If you have to get into the digital marketing domain, which is very interesting one, uh, you have to understand digital as a channel, understand the consumer funnel, and I'll talk about it next quickly. You have to understand the KPIs that matter. This is the job to be done in the market. For example, the KPIs in the traditional marketing space is very different. It's mainly around sales, brand equity, brand awareness scores, brand recall, like Priyanka was mentioning, mind measures. In digital space, it is very, very different, and it is different. The basis the stage which you are in, and which is coming in the next slide. Then I talked about digital media fundamentals and performance marketing. I think no digital marketeer would grow if they don't know how to run ads on Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Okay, that's a basic. And then you have video marketing in YouTube, search, static marketing, and all that stuff. Organic marketing, on page and off page SEO, I talked about. Content marketing, email marketing is all organic marketing. Social media and influencer marketing, again, how do you build brands on social? For example, if you're launching a new brand on social, what should you be doing? Marketing analytics role, I talked about. Web analytics, app analytics, campaign reporting of these campaigns on digital. And then there is an element of it which is an add-on again. If you are someone coming from a tech background, have kind of worked with have a very basic coding experience. I'm not saying I did have coding experience, but that did not help me anyway. It only helped me understand the fundamentals. So web basics, basically UI and UX. UX is about mapping consumer journeys. UI is how the website looks like, how the app looks like. If you have a slight sense of that, it really helps. Otherwise, you can build it. Very basic HTML would really help. Again, it's not a prerequisite to becoming a digital marketeer, but it obviously helps having web basics. And then there are more advanced set of concepts that have now come in. Okay, digital commerce. This whole space is so big now. Because people are spending so much of time on digital, they have started spending money on digital. They have started buying product on digital. And ultimately, what is the goal of a brand? To sell as many products as possible, whether it's through traditional channels or through digital. So e-com marketing, like I was talking about, performance marketing on Amazon, Flipkart. Then there is a big thing on social commerce, and this is a buzzword: social commerce. How do I sell my products through Instagram Live? How do I sell my products through Instagram Stories? Okay, how do I sell my products through chatbots? This is all social commerce. And then there is quick commerce, like 10-minute delivery and all that stuff. And there is virtual commerce, which is more around the metaverse and the NFT space, which is again super advanced. You need not know about it, but yeah, if someone talks about it, you should know about it. Okay. Then one-to-one marketing automation, like I said, web app push notification, WhatsApp marketing, email marketing. Then there is an advanced thing on programmatic advertising, ad tech. Again, All these are very advanced concepts, and I don't expect you to know these while you are in B school. You cannot. Okay. And if your placement is like 2 months down the line, 1 month down the line, of course we cannot. Okay. But this is just a prep of what you can do in the marketing domain on digital. Okay. And I'll tell you what is enough for you to crack an interview. But I'm just saying this is the remit of the work you can do once you enter a company. This is so big. Okay. This is, and it's so expanding. I never knew about stuff like this creative automation. Now you don't need people and add creative agencies to create creatives for you in Photoshop. There are AI bots who can create creatives for you on the fly. That is what creative automation is. Okay. If you have a background on tech, DTC is direct to consumers. All these websites, Wow, Plums, Lakme, what are they built on? They're built on Shopify. And Shopify, what is Shopify? Shopify is a flavor of a template based marketing, template based website that can sell products. That is it. Okay, so again, you don't need to know what is Shopify, but I am saying once you enter the company, you will work on a Shopify platform. Okay, and then there are new engagement channels like gaming, metaverse, NFTs. Gaming is very dear to me. I've done semi-professional gaming for India, and now I am leading Unilever's gaming response. So I help Unilever global brands do so many gaming campaigns, do so much of great stuff in gaming, around whether it's ads, whether it's in-game activations, whether it's partnership with Twitch and all that. So I do that, and that's why I'm saying my journey is a good example of what you can do. Gaming and all did not exist like 2 years down the line, but because I had a passion of it, I had expertise in that. Now I am leading gaming for Unilever, which is a very big thing, right? So again, it's about getting in, trying to understand digital as a space and marketing as a space, and then trying to find your niche. Okay.